Hi, I'm Amber Venz Box, LTK co-founder and president, and this is my office. Come on in. So in this office, I love to collect books, so I'm going to have bookshelves on all of the walls. So framing my office here, and also Baxter's office on the other side. You can see some of my personal book collection. Come on into my office. I love a neutral palette, and I really wanted this to feel like a spa when I walked in. So I would say this is about 80% complete. I had the art team actually create some original art over here. So you can see the LTK heart with an iPhone over here, like a woman. I still need to hang this on the wall, but this is from our creative team. And then I love to have kind of group brainstorms, and so I wanted a couch in this office just to make it a little bit more comfortable. Sometimes I'll actually pull out these pads and have little brainstorming sessions right here on the floor with someone I'm working with, and so this just kind of provides a different alternative space depending on what creative mood I'm in. We shoot in the office quite often, and so I'll have different outfits that I'm going to wear for those different days. I also have a great selfie mirror, which when I'm working in gives you an amazing background of downtown Dallas. That's kind of a fun little element in my office. Over here is sort of my get ready station, so I can do my makeup here in the office. I keep a set here. I keep a set of really everything I need to get ready so that I can always shoot for the team when they need me. Right now we're working on an expansion, and so I have this next to my desk, which is just really showing the extra space, so I can look at it and think when I'm brainstorming, and then everything else happens right here. This is my desk. I'm really big on a very clean, tidy desk. I need no distractions. I'm very easily distracted, and so I keep it really tidy and crisp, and this is where you can find me Monday through Friday. Thanks for stopping by. It's time for me to get back to work, but I hope you enjoy following along. See you next time.